Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, we will see live step by step with real demonstrations how to set a custom ringtones. If in your iPhones, ringtone is limited, that is, now you don't have no more choice to set up either it is from MP3 songs, movie dialogues, or your voice, or any from videos. How do you set up as a ringtones? We will see live in this tutorial. Is it possible? Now that we can see here, we cam in a sound and haptic of this device, and when we tap on a ringtones, it's a thing that we have a limited out of it especially. So how can I especially import as a ringtones from any mp3 songs, movies, dialogues, or how would I get by free of course is so downloading multiple ringtones, that is a latest trending ringtones. We will see both live step by step. So first and foremost guys, we'll go for an administration, that is iTunes, not iTunes. This is a 3U tool guys. In a 3U tool we will have options to customize the ringtone. So just we will tap on ringtone option in a toolbar. We will have to tap, and thereupon we will come on a special create a ringtone option. So make ringtone option is a given here. Now that we can import and we can create. So here is a one song that is in a video. Just we will try to import from the PC, and we will come on a desktop to this cam. So either it is a video, audio, everything. So that can be guys. Yes. Now so that we can see here. Just we will, according to your own desire, you can select these ones. Now we will select this one from here to here. Now we can check it out also. Now see a little bit. Yes, we will have this one, and now see. Now see here, just we will keep it in this one here. Now we can clearly see total estimated time is 54 seconds. So a little bit we will keep it on there. So now total time is a little bit of course we will small, so 44 second. Now we will make it 30 second. Now from here to here, now here we can accelerate the volumes, no problem at all, a little bit, and according to your desire you can have. So guys, here no problem at all. So now this is the part of especially mp3. So now we will go for generated, and after generating, see here what's going to happen. So voice, if you would like to keep it 100 so that sound quality will give you good. Now here just we will go for generate. So now it has started to generate, and how quickly it has been generated guys. Now would you like to especially import to your device? So here this would be reflected how it is, just to see if we import. So if I'm going to import, so now see it is importing. So this ringtone came on here directly, and of course if we play, now see, now see. So how easily this ringtones and cams, either it is from some movies, videos, audios, is easily. Now this thing is completed that from your own choice you can have a ringtone on your iPhone device. Don't think so that we have limited guys. Yes, we can have. Second things that how can I download multiple ringtones by free of course. So we will tap on a RT plus WP options, and here is a multiple ringtones. Yes, it is a weekly ranking, monthly ranking, total ranking, and latest one. So of course, so we will come with the latest one, and now so that we can see the first one is a very trending, that is especially good neighbor. Yes, font upping. So just army. So just we will tap to a download, and now see clearly it has started to a download guys, and let me Let me especially I'm the complete this downloading and then of course. So now see this one especially in the ringtone that has been downloaded and it has come directly. So if you download directly it will come on here. No need to go with the especially too much. Especially hassle. So now we can see the clearly we have the rest on here and now if we try to honor this downloaded option now see. So how is that? This can be especially guys. This is all about it. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, I had a query below the comment box. And the pleasure would be mine to the reply your query, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to share this content anyone who is underprivileged, of course, and they can be the privilege of this information and can be the beneficiary of the multiple ringtones by their own choice. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.